Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give a huge shout out to Ringke for sending me the Ringke tempered glass covered display premium screen protector for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 cover display. We're going to have high resolution scratch resistance, maximum HD resolution, perfect touch, precision, and anti-chip with external force absorption. A lot more information on the back that you can read. As I always say, please read everything. All the information to purchase the tempered glass screen protector for your cover display on your Z Fold 5 will be down below in the description area. And with that, what I'm going to do is speed up the video a little bit, add some music for your entertainment, and then we'll get a good look at what this tempered glass cover display looks like on my Z Fold 5. Never leave home without protection, folks. That means screen protector and a case, which I have right here from Ringke. Very minimalistic case, but it gets the job done. And we'll put this on after the install. That way we can make sure everything works as far as the case with the screen protector with the case. We want to make sure everything is friendly. So let's do this. All right, everything looks great. A couple little air bubbles, but those will come out. I just have to squeeze them out. But there is nothing caught underneath the tempered glass screen protector from Ringke as far as any dust, lint. Everything is perfect. Be patient with the air bubbles. You can work them out with a little squeegee that comes with the tempered glass screen protector. I didn't utilize these, but you can. So please, again, read everything. All the information you need is right here. Take your time. If you've never installed a tempered glass screen protector, it's about finding the time of day that you can just take your time, be patient, enjoy the process. No reason to hurry everything up. Now, the case that we're going to put on, I mentioned this earlier in the video, it is a minimalistic, clear case. Hard plastic case. There's no TPU. There is some flexibility. It works great. It worked for me really, really well when I was at the zoo with my family taking pictures. It has some grip to it. It's not cheap plastic. Ringke isn't going to use weak materials. It may feel that way, but trust me, you're going to have to apply some pressure to break it. And it works as far as protecting everything I need protected on my Z Fold 5. Got all that lip protecting the cameras cut out there for the flash. All cutouts will be precise. I do have the official review up on the channel, so you can check that out. There is a little strip right on the inside of the frame, which is hard plastic polycarbonate material as well. So it can stick to this area right in here so it doesn't easily come off. Again, this is for those of you, this specific type of minimalistic case that don't want a lot of bulk. Okay, there are cases you can purchase that are going to give you way more protection, but this is for those of you that just want the most minimalistic type of case where it seems like you're going naked, but you're not, right? So what we want is to make sure that this frame is going to work with the screen protector as well. Both products from Ringke. Okay. There is no hinge protection. Many different styles of cases you can buy for the Z Fold 5. And you can see right in here just a very tiny bit of a gap at the bottom and up top. Perfect. So yes, the Ringke tempered glass cover display protector working great with the Ringke clear minimalistic case and vice versa. And that is exactly what we want. So now I can turn my Z Fold 5 back on. I would suggest turning it off at the beginning of the process. I did it midway, spaced that off. The reason you want the Z Fold 5 turned off is so you can see the display when it's dark to make sure you don't see any lint or dust, any particles getting caught underneath the tempered glass screen protector. That fingerprint reader works freaking fast. Yeah, that looks really, really nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. But that's about as simple as it gets. Again, a huge shout out to Ringke. All the information, mentioned this at the beginning of the video, to purchase the Ringke tempered glass cover display screen protector down below in the description area. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I am out.